Welcome to day 41 of our graphics and multimedia course. Today we are diving into the art of assembling a multimedia narrative where our design elements come together to tell powerful stories. Our objective today is to understand how to blend different media, text, images, audio, video, and animation into a cohesive narrative. We will explore techniques that help us create flow, maintain consistency, and keep our audience engaged. A multimedia narrative uses a mix of media formats to tell a story. These narratives can be linear, guiding viewers from start to finish, or non-linear, allowing for interaction and choice. Whether we are teaching, marketing, or entertaining, multimedia narratives are powerful tools for communication. To build effective narratives, we need to understand the core components. Text helps convey details, audio adds emotion and clarity, videos and animations provide dynamic visuals, images strengthen context, and transitions bind everything together into a seamless experience. Before we begin creating a plan, storyboarding and scene breakdowns help us visualize the flow. By structuring our narrative with an introduction, a body, and a conclusion, we guide our audience with intention and purpose. A well-crafted script is the backbone of our narrative. It ensures our visuals and voiceovers align. When we integrate voice thoughtfully, supported by captions or subtitles, we increase both clarity and accessibility. Our visuals and audio must work in harmony by maintaining consistent styles such as color plates and typography and using subtle transitions to create a professional and engaging experience that supports the message. Timing is everything. Each visual element should match our audio cues to maintain harmony and rhythm. Ideally, scenes should last between 4 to 8 seconds, long enough to understand, short enough to hold interest. Let's bring our tools into play. Whether we are using Premiere Pro, Canva Video, or even PowerPoint, we will learn to combine our voiceovers, transitions, and animations into a single synchronized timeline. Even the best intentions can go wrong. Overusing effects can overwhelm. Inconsistent media quality can break immersion. And without a clear message, our narrative loses its power. Let's be mindful of these traps. To succeed, we start with a solid plan, storyboard, script, and strategy. We design with the audience in mind, choosing only the media that enhances the story. And finally, we test our narrative to ensure it performs well across devices and platforms. Now it's time to apply our skills. In today's activity, we will assemble a short multimedia montage. Using provided media files, we will create a 30 to 45-second story that highlights smooth transitions, emotional pacing, and clear structure. Let's reflect. We have explored the concept of multimedia narratives, practiced assembling different media types, and learned to structure content with flow and cohesion. These are skills we will use again and again as digital storytellers. For homework, we will create a 1 minute multimedia story titled A Day in the Life of a Designer. We will use at least 4 different media types and submit it as a video or a presentation. Let's make it creative, expressive, and authentic. Our work will be evaluated on 5 criteria: narrative clarity, media integration, timing, cohesion, and creativity. Each area holds equal weight, 20 points each, encouraging us to balance structure with innovation. Thank you for being part of this session. Let's open the floor for any questions and share thoughts on how we can further refine our narrative craft. Thank you for your attention.